This is the wrap-up for the live market open for March 2nd. It's Wednesday, the day after Super Tuesday. Super Tuesday had little effect on markets. Markets are generally happy. Good data helps markets, lifts the chances of a rate hike this year, despite, well, not all the data parts have been positive. Eurozone PMIs have been okay. German unemployment continues falling. Good news. Eurozone unemployment beats. It fell to 10.3. We had a miss on UK manufacturing PMI, a bit of pressure on the pound anyway because of the referendum. Good news, especially for commodity currencies. Better than expected Canadian GDP pushed dollar CAD below critical support. Milk prices rise in New Zealand. Most important event yesterday is the ISM manufacturing PMI came out better than expected. Finally, some good news for the US manufacturing sector. And also the land down under. Australian GDP beat significantly, 0.6 instead of 0.4, with an upwards revision as well. Okay, today on the agenda we have, well, Spanish unemployment didn't have an impact. We had the ECB member providing some dovishness, talking about the urgent need for growth. And we have UK construction PMI expected to be still positive, still showing nice growth. Impact will be minimal because of the referendum fears. US ADP Non-Farm Payrolls, the main event for today, 190,000 jobs are expected. This is, of course, a big hint towards Friday's all-important non-farm payrolls. Crude oil inventories, important not only for the Canadian dollar at 3:30 GMT, but also for the general mood in markets. And overnight, we have trade balance in Australia, and more importantly, Chinese services PMI. So we talked about positive market mood. Let's see how this is reflected on currency charts, right? So euro dollar is a bit lower, found some support at 108.35, resistance far above at 109.60, support 107.70, 107.10, tension rising towards the ECB. Pound dollar off the highs, finding it hard to really move above 140. Lots of weakness in the pound. Support 138.80 and 138.40. Let's see how it reacts to the data. Dollar yen is higher. Oh, it's even extending its gains. 114.42. Resistance at 115. Support at 113.20 and 111 line in the sand. Okay. Better market mood means less demand for the safe haven yen, and dollar yen is rising. Dollar CAD, I talked about it breaking critical support at 134.60. It's this line now turns into resistance. Exactly 134.61. It was a double top in the autumn of 2015. We fell already to just above 134. Let's see if we have further falls from here. Okay. A lot depends on oil, which is back under 34, but still remains on high ground. Okay. Aussie dollar still enjoying the positive GDP figure. Not crazy, but good enough. 72.20. Support at 71.40, which is becoming weaker. 70.40. Resistance at 72.80. Kiwi dollar, well, in the lower part of the wide range, 65.50 to 67. I guess, and that's it. So all in all, the market mood remains positive. The dirty US politics didn't have an impact so far. We had stock markets rising, higher oil prices, higher commodity currencies, and a higher and weaker Japanese yen. The euro is under pressure because of the ECB meeting. Yeah. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you very much, everybody, for coming. I wish everybody a safe and successful trading day. It should be an interesting day today with all the figures coming out, all the tension. And we'll be here tomorrow, as usual, at 8 GMT for another day in the markets. So that's it for today. Thank you, and bye-bye.